In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off notifications in Acuity scheduling step by step. If you're receiving too many emails or alerts and want more control over your notifications, this guide will help you adjust those settings. First, log in to your Acuity scheduling account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, open the Notifications, Email Settings, or Scheduling Notifications section from the left-hand menu. This is where all automated messages and alerts are managed. Now, review the list of notification types. You may see appointment confirmations, reminder emails, cancellation notices, rescheduling alerts, and administrator notifications. Find the notification you want to disable. Next, toggle the notification off or uncheck the option that enables it. If you only want to stop certain notifications, leave the others enabled and disable only the ones you no longer need. You can also review staff notifications separately if your account includes multiple team members. After making your changes, click Save Settings to apply them. Now, Acuity will stop sending the notifications you disabled while continuing to send any notifications that remain active. To verify the change, you can create a test appointment and confirm that the disabled notification is no longer sent. Keep in mind that turning off important notifications may cause you or your clients to miss appointment updates, so review your settings carefully before disabling them. And that's it. You've successfully turned off notifications in Acuity scheduling and customized your communication preferences. And that's how you turn off notifications in Acuity scheduling. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.